sharing with Cardiff Central Library Hub. Today I am going to share two of our favourite peekaboo rhymes that we use at rhyme times and toddle times. They're great for building anticipation and a sense of fun. You can either use hands, or if you've got a scarf or a cushion, they work just as well. So the first one is called Are You Hiding? And I'm going to use a scarf for this one. Are you ready? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. And you can keep going with that as many times as you like. It's guaranteed to be lots of fun. Another one of our favourite peekaboo rhymes, we use different cuddly toys, or for this one we're going to use a teddy, and it's called Clapper Clapper Handies, okay? So it goes, clapper clapper handies, teddies come to play, cover up your little eyes while he hides away. Where's Teddy? Where's Teddy? Boo! Should we do it again? Clapper, clapper handies, teddies come to play. Cover up your little eyes while he hides away. Where's Teddy? Where's Teddy? Boo! And you can do this with all different stuffed toys that you might have at home, or just with different people. So, thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more rhyme sharing with the Hub, and we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.